Hi, I'm Don. I'm a field tech with TelcoGuide, and today we're going to be doing an instruction video on how to install vertical down onto our TelcoGuide. Our TelcoGuide is a fiber management system that we supply to many of our clients for their data centers today. So what we're going to do is we're going to be installing this downspout for vertical down, and it'll connect using a coupler. And so we'll go through the whole install process. Coupler up to the raceway and then coming down here into the slotted. And this is the slotted. This is a 4-inch slotted. As you can see, it's slotted on the side, and that allows for the fiber management to go through up and down on the rack system. So those are the parts that we're going to be installing today. To start the installation process, we're going to put a coupler on each end of our downspout. So the couplers basically fit over top, and they fit nice and snug. So along with the coupler, once you get the coupler on, there's some thumb screws that you put in each one of the holes to hold it in place. So there's 4 that go on each side of the coupler. So we'll put one coupler on each side. And you can pre-install these thumb screws if you want to kind of speed up the process a little bit. But I found the easiest way to install these, if you line them up at the bottom, kind of tilt them in a little bit, and you can see how they go into each side. And they just usually just snap right in place. Once I have these installed, then we'll go up on the horizontal raceway and attach this to the raceway to complete the process. I put the down up. I've attached to one side already. So as you can see, we're using a 19-inch rack here. So about every 14.5 inches, you're going to cut these pieces to go in between the racks. So we'll go ahead and install this piece. I pre-installed all the thumb screws already. That kind of helps the process. So to slide it together, you just, as you saw when I put the previous one on, you just line them up. When you're on the rack, you got to kind of feel where that back piece is going to go. And once you're on, you're in. So we just tighten down the screws all the way around, and it'll hold the piece in nice and snug. Now, what I usually do is I'll free these smaller pieces up a little bit, and then I'll reattach them. So you have the screws in the bottom to hold this to the bracket, and these just merely slide up, put a little upward pressure on them as you're putting them in, and I'll hold that piece down nice and snug. That pretty much takes care of the install of the down piece, and then the next part we'll go to is we'll attach the vertical slotted. We went ahead and installed the 4-inch slotted vertical using a coupler that just attached to the down. And now we're going to install a cover. So there'll be a cover, and this cover is made of metal, and that'll go over top on the existing the screws. So we'll do that. We're installing the 4-inch. Just basically slide in each piece, slide up the panel, and as the panel goes up, you can see that it fits nice and snug. And we'll leave a little bit of space to put the metal cover on top. The metal cover is pretty basic install. You have a couple of thumb screws on the back. Just need to loosen them. And then the 2 on the front. Just loosen them. As you can see, this is notched out, so you can put your cover on. And the cover will fit nice and flush, then you can go ahead and move the rest of your vertical down cover up over top. And that's it. That's how we install a 4-inch vertical onto the raceway system. And like I said, the slotted vertical allows you space in here run your fiber, jumpers, cables, whatever, out to your equipment. Hey, thanks for watching this video. And let us know if you like it. Give us a like below. And subscribe to more videos like this. And feel free to check out the TelcoGuide system at www.telcoden.com, as well as our other social media. The link is in the description. Again, thanks a lot for watching, and hope to see you next time.